Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take an image like this one where all of the different pieces of one color are welded together in one layer. So you'll see here all of the dark green pieces are one layer, all of the light green are one, and all of the black are one layer. So I'm going to change this image up. I'm going to show you how. First of all, I want to get rid of the words, but I can't get rid of the words just on their own because they're not in their own individual layer. So I have two options. I can turn off the contouring. So that would be through going right here in the contour. Okay, and I can select all the layers that I don't want. But another way, and the way that I'm going to do it, is I'm going to slice it. So I'm going to make a square or a rectangle. Turn off the lock here so I can make it a rectangle, and I'm going to stretch it right over the whole text. You can only slice 2 layers at a time, so I'm going to do this square and the light green, and I'm going to hit slice. Now all of that light green text is going to be on its own, away from the rest of the image. So I can delete that layer, I can delete this layer, and I can delete this layer. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the word leaf. Go to shapes, square, you can size it out to a rectangle, make a bigger square, whichever you want. I'm going to highlight the square and the dark green this time. And I'm going to hit slice. You can see it's all taken off, so I can delete all those layers. So that's the first thing that we've done to make this image different. The next thing that I want to do is I want to take some of these stripes and the dots and make them a different color. I think I'm going to do them gold. But right now I can't do that because I can't separate these pieces of the black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it so I have 2 of the exact same. Now what I'm going to do on this one, for this striped planter, is I'm going to go into contour and I'm going to turn off every second stripe starting with the second one. And in this one I'm going to go into contour again, and I'm going to turn off every second stripe starting with the first one. So now you see that they're opposite. So I can go and line these up like that. So first of all, I'm going to make this is going to be my gold layer. So I'll just make it a yellow color. Here on this one, to get the dots, I'm going to go into contour and I'm going to turn off the outside one. And on here, I'd like to make that stripe gold, so I'm going to turn them all off besides for this one. And up here, I have to turn off that stripe. So I can go and line these up, and I now have black and gold planters with the 2 different color leaves. And you can go like this and group them all if you want to resize so that they all go together. And then you can ungroup them if you notice when you bring it up bigger that they're not quite lined up perfectly. And then you can group them again if you want to size them some more. Hope that helped.